Hello everyone, welcome to Data Safari. In this video, we are going to learn how to add dynamic up and down arrow with the bar chart in Tableau. Let's go to Tableau and understand more practically about it. In general, when we create a bar chart in Tableau, it shows visualization like right now we are dealing with. Using up and down arrow, we can make it more interactive. Let's go. First, let's make a chart on product category wise profit. Just drag the product category into row. Now create a calculative field named product percentage. This is nothing but profit divided by sales. Drag the profit percentage into the column. Change it to percentage from here. Now we need to create two fields. Number one, level of the profit percentage, which will show the value, and another one is the sign of the profit percentage level. For this we will use arrow sign. Green arrow will represent the profit and the red one will represent loss. Now we need to get the arrow sign. Go to Google and search alt code. Click here. Now copy this arrow sign. Now let's create the profit level and add this formula. This indicates if the value of the profit percentage is greater than 0, then it will show the profit percentage value. Now click on the duplicate, click on edit, change its name to loss level and just change the greater than sign to negative sign. Now we will add arrow sign. Create a calculated field, name profit sign. Paste the same formula that we pasted in profit level. Now just replace the profit percentage here with this up arrow. Similar way, create a field called loss sign and paste the arrow sign in the formula. Now all our fields are ready. Now select all these fields and drag it to the level. Now click on label, click on these three dots and put all the profit tags with each other and loss tags in each other. Now change the profit tag color to green and the loss tag to red. Now you can see the profit and loss percentage are showing in our desired format. But the tooltips here are not showing in proper format. Let's correct it. Click on tooltip, then delete these label headings without deleting our tags. And change the profit tag color to green and loss tag in red. Change the number format type to percentage. Now our chart is ready. In this way you can add up and down arrow with your bar chart in Tableau. Hope you find this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.